Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Heather. I do all different types of videos from like beauty to cleaning and organizing, all lifestyle decor type stuff. So if you're new here, welcome. Today we're gonna do more of like a laid back cleaning and organizing type of a video. I have a bunch of stuff to go through in my kids' rooms to organize it, get it in bins. He just spit everywhere, but I got a bunch of this little man's clothes to go through. He's 5 months now and he's getting so big so fast. He's grown out of a lot of his clothes, right? Yeah. He's getting very chunky very quickly. So I'm here in the nursery. I have a bunch of clothes that I just need to go through and organize into bins and just label them by month. And then in the dresser here, I just want to go through everything, make sure everything still fits, and then put away anything that's like 6 months and above and just make sure it's nice and organized.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. Is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me?
So for the baby's laundry, I always use this OxiClean for baby stain remover. It's awesome to like remove any spit up stains or any other like just gross stains that you want to get out. So I just take about, I feel it's like the second line. There's like all the directions on the box. And it's just like a booster to your regular detergent. So I just put about that much in and I pop it right in the front loader on the bottom before I put any other clothes or anything in. So then I just add in all of the laundry. Another thing that I use the OxiClean for is to soak bibs or really anything that gets kind of stained. So what I'll do is I'll put a little bit of powder into the bucket and then I'll fill it up with water and put the bibs in and let them soak and just pre-treat any of those spit up stains that are harder to clean. I'm just gonna add in the bibs that were pre-soaked in that same Oxy detergent.
Baby, show me how. Make you mine. Make you mine. Baby, show me how. Make you mine. Make you mine. Baby, show me.
So the dresser's a little bit of a mess. My goal here is to organize things by sizes, so like 3 to 6 months, 6 months, 12 months, stuff like that, and then do it like pants, shirts, onesies, pajamas. So the good news is I did manage to get everything to fit. So I just have this last area to do and then I'm gonna start cleaning. I've decided to put like all of his bathing suit, summer stuff, beach hat, these cute little sandals in this little cube because I can't really find a spot in the dressers, and I think that this will be perfect. So then like all of his beach stuff and pool stuff will be right in here. So some of this stuff still fits him, but he's like just about grown out of it. So I'm just gonna go through it one more time and then hang up the stuff that he's growing into. Most of this stuff is hand-me-downs and then some new stuff that I had just bought when I did a little haul at Carter's and Old Navy. So I have everything organized into the bins now. Some of this stuff is hand-me-downs. It's too big for him, so that's going to go up in the attic. And then the newborn, the 3-month stuff, all that is also going to go up in the attic. And these are the bins I got. I picked them up right at Costco. I think they're like 15 bucks, maybe like 17 bucks. I feel like definitely under 20 bucks for a set of 3. And I use them for everything. Clear storage, you can label, you can see what's in there. It's nice and easy.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your break.
So I like to put a couple of drops of essential oil into the water reservoir. And this is like lavender. They have like spearmint or lemon, whatever you like. Just kind of adds a little something to it. Just makes the house smell really nice. Just tighten that cap. You can pop it in. We're good to go.
To make you mine, baby, show me how.
So I am all done. Everything is put away and clean and organized. I'll just give you one more quick tour before I go. And I'll put up above in the eye my nursery decor and organization video if you'd like to see more about like the decor in here and how I organize everything. So I'll put that down in the description and up above.
And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find?